Yeah. Now we talk about the DLL file. So what is the DLL file? DLL file is a dynamic link libraries that export table. That is the export table include all the function that in this library uh which export to others application for using it. So it can be accessed through its name or its ordinal number, which is the index number, and we can call it this is the API, which is the application program interface. So for some DLL like DLL, such as the kernel 32 DLL, which is the basic and core functionality for all programs, include reading a file and writing a file. NT-DLL .dll actually is the export Windows native APIs. Some malware writer try to access undocumented APIs inside this library to make it harder for reverse engineer to understand the malware functionality such as DLL load DLL. Then the user32.dll is used mainly for the Windows GUI and the advanced API 32, yeah, ADV API 32.dll is used mainly for working with the registry and encryption. Then the shell 32.dll is a shell operation such as executing a file and opening a files. WS2 underscore 32.dll is related to internet socket and network communication. Wininet.dll is the for the internet function, which is for the HTTP and FTP functions. Then the URL mon.dll is add on to the Wininet.dll and it used for working with the URL because we see URL, so it working for URL, web compression, downloading the files and more. And GDI32.dll is used for the symbol graphic functionality. So the application program interface APIs are those exported function in any library that any function can call or interact with. So the APIs can be exported from an exe file as well as a library. So when the file is called, so can run as a program and be loaded as a library or call from other library loaded by the program while running. Uh, Even though we say the APIs is just used for export function, right? Exporter to list out is an exporter function, right? But it also include its import table to call some API inside this to into this APIs. In each library, the export table contains the API names, the API ordinal number, and the RVA address of this API in the library.